Hey guys, I am in London with two amazing women. Can you guys introduce yourselves? Who are you? Why am I here with you?
Hi, I'm Goldie Chan. I live in Los Angeles and I have green hair.
What? I didn't
I know, nobody notices. No one notices.
Hi guys, I'm Alexandra Galvez. I go by Authentic Alex on LinkedIn and I am from London, if you hadn't noticed by the accent.
So what I really wanted to ask you today is, for a lot of people who are just starting off with videos, they're really afraid to even just talk to a camera. What was it like for you? Because I know for me, that's not something that just came naturally.
Right.
How about you guys?
And I have a digital SLR and I put that in front and started recording and I was just like, I have no idea what I'm saying or doing. And I think it was also I felt quite intimidated by a big lens.
Yeah.
So I actually got a friend to come and video me on a phone to brainstorm ideas about doing my first video.
Yeah.
And actually that was the first video I ended up posting because I was just
With the video on the phone?
Yeah. I mean, if you see it compared to what I've done now, it's completely light and day. But when I started, it was so awkward, so nervous about people's reactions. And then I think you just have to do your first. Like, you just don't have to think about it.
You just need to start.
Yeah.
Right? Start somewhere.
I mean, my number one tip is post it, run down the road, hide underneath the bench, and then come back and see what people are saying.
So I will say, even my first video on LinkedIn, it's 8 minutes long. It's me going through the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, because where else would I be just on my off time? But it's so awkward because I'm holding the camera this far away and I'm like, guys, do you see I'm at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter? You don't see anything. You just see my body and a patch of blue sky behind me. So it's now I know if I want to say oh, we're here to shoot extra content to show where I am, so I can do a voiceover. But back then I was like, do you see there's an owl? There's an owl. And I just slightly turn the phone, you might see the tip of the owl and you're like, I think I kind of saw it. So, and it was 8 minutes of this, 8 minutes of too close, blurry video.
You learn as you go.
As you go, you evolve, you get your own style, you start to learn, you learn from other people that do it well, and you learn from the people that know how to do it professionally.
I think you just keep doing it. So I think that's totally it. You just keep creating video over and over and over again.
It's like that, old saying, practice makes perfect.
Yeah,
it's literally that.
Well, I always tell people, start small. So make a video that's not 8 minutes. Make a video that's 1 minute or 30 seconds. So anything that's a minute or less to start, and just start with that. Keep it short, keep it simple. Shoot it in your house. Don't try to go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter to shoot your first one. Just keep it simple.
Talk about something that you
are passionate about.
Yes, that you know something about. And just start.
Something easy.
Well, and that's a good question to end this video with. Start making videos if you haven't already, and if you need a topic, start making videos about a fun fact about yourself. Thanks so much, guys.
All right.
Welcome.
All these tips.
All right.
Bye.